Question number 1. Fatih has a piece of land with a market value of 45,000 ringgit. He has two options: to sell the land now and invest in a scheme which offers an interest of 6.5% compounded monthly, or to sell after 5 years at 60,000 ringgit. What would you advise? Question number 1. What would you advise? On the left side, here the information from equation that we need to use. The formula we use at this question is S equals to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. I is for R over M, N is for M times T. You just need to put inside the given values into the formula. So, the final answer is Fatih should invest in a scheme rather than he sell it, because if he invests, he got 2,226.78 cents more than he sell it after 5 years. Question number 2. Fatiha deposit 900 ringgit into an account at an interest of 6% compounded every 2 months. 3.5 years later, she made another deposit into the account. What is the value of the second deposit if she wants the account to be worth 5,000 ringgit 5 years after the second deposit? Question number 2. What is the value of the second deposit if she wants the account to be worth 5,000 ringgit 5 years after the second deposit? On the left side, here the information from equation that we need to use. The formula we use is same as the first question. Is S equals to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. You just need to put inside the given values into the formula. So, the value of second deposit is 2,886.38 cents.
So, the third question is, Fatimah invests 15,000 ringgit into an account at an interest rate of K% compounded every 4 months. After 8 years, the account balance is 21,955 ringgit and 34 cents. Determine the A. Interest rate K% compounded every 4 months. So, we use S equal to P, open the bracket, 1 plus I, close the bracket to the power of negative N. As usual, you need to insert the value into the formula. And we got the answer for K. Next, question B. Total amount if the investment was extended for another 2 years. For this question, we use the same formula as in question A earlier. So, the final answer we got is 24,725 ringgit and 28 cents. So, to find the total interest earned for 10 years, you just need to use the formula of interest to find out the answer.
Okay, next question 4. An executive traded his car for 30,000 ringgit Malaysia and top up it up with his saving of 5,000 ringgit Malaysia to buy a new car. The new car is listed at 78,000 ringgit Malaysia. He obtained a loan from a finance company to settle the balance of the purchase price. He has agreed to settle the loan by monthly payment to be made at the end of each month for 7 years. The interest on the loan is 12% compounded monthly. Question A. Find the monthly payment. On the left side, here's the information from question that we need to use. On the right side, here's the formula we can use for this question. The formula is A equals R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, to the power of negative N over I, close bracket. I is for R over M, N equal M times T. A is for loan, R is for monthly payment. You just need to insert the given values into the provided formula. So, the final answer is 759 and 7 cents. Next, question 4b. Calculate the interest charge. So, we need to use formula of interest, which is I equal N times R minus A. You just need to insert the given values into the provided formula. And we got the answer of the interest, which is 20,761 ringgit and 88 cents for the interest. Next, question C. Immediately after paying the 60 payment, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the balance. So, for this question, we use the same formula as in question A earlier. But for R, we use the value of R that we obtained earlier in the question A, which is 759 ringgit and 7 cents. So, for the next step, you just need to insert the given value into the provided formula, and we got the answer for A, which is 16,125 ringgit and 22 cents. Question 3D. If he fails to pay the first monthly payment, find the amount he has to pay on the fifth payment in order to settle the outstanding areas. So, we can use the formula of future value, which is, as you can see on the screen. So, you just need to put the information given to the formula. So, here we got the final answer.
Let's go to the last question. A factory paid a 10% down payment to buy a machine that costs 500,000 ringgit. The factory will pay 10,000 ringgit at the end of each month to repay the balance of the purchase price. The interest charge is 12% compounded monthly. Find the number of years needed for the balance to be paid in full. After we calculate the down payment for 10%, the answer we got is 50,000 ringgit. Subtract the down payment from the property price, the loan amount needed is 450,000 ringgit. So, you just need to follow the step and get the final answer.